Highway 51 in Allen for a 48-hour recheck for a silver body with a paper tag. Going to be parked on the Elm. Call for it.
Adam 256, I'm in pursuit. Adam 256, I'm in pursuit.
Adam 256.
30th and Norman. King Robert 0005 break.
Go ahead.
Tag comes back to a different vehicle. 2 passengers bailed out right about 30th and Lansing. He's now on Kenosha. He's crashed through. He's bailed out on Kenosha.
Copy, eastbound on Kenosha.
Better stop! Get on the ground now! Shots fired! Shots fired! I'm hit, PD, I'm hit. He's eastbound into the field. Correct, just southbound on the field. He went that way, he's wearing white male, black hoodie. I'm reloading.
Hey, I'm staying with you. I'm staying with you. Hey, get over here. Get behind the car.
It's my leg.
Get behind the car. Get behind the car. How bad?
I don't know. I may have just been grazed. I don't know.
Franklin 77. We need someone at the peak of the hill to keep us from getting hit eastbound. We do have a confirmed gunshot wound. I'm getting ready to treat you. Hey, sit down. Sit down. We got coverage on you. We got coverage on you.
Got your coverage.
All right, we're good. We're good. Keep me covered. I'm gonna get him wrapped up.
Somebody give me a description. It's a white male, black hoodie.
Are you hit just once? Anywhere else?
I only feel it in my lower leg.
Okay.
Hey, take coverage on that side of the car.
I'm just gonna strap you down. The blood isn't that bad, but I'm gonna do it just so we can go hands-free, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna suck, okay?
Okay. Some other people bailed out into Camino Villa.
Into Camino?
Yeah, off 27th about Lansing. Ah, that hurts worse.
Alright, I got you.
I'm gonna get on my butt.
Yep, you're good. I got you right here. Okay?
Okay.
I've got your rear.
All right.
I need my phone out of my car, please.
We'll get it.
It's in the passenger side.
Where's your car at?
It's right here.
Get it out of the passenger side.
Sarge, where's your car?
Is this
Yes,
yours?
this is his.
This is me.
Get him in that car and let's get him over there so that we can get him out of here.
I agree.
I'm still bleeding. still bleeding.
We'll get you. We're gonna get you.
Thank you.
That's doing probably permanent set at 91st, 23rd.